Hello, everybody. Welcome to another fantastic episode of Taylor Teaches English. You can follow me on Facebook and YouTube at Taylor Teaches English. Follow me on both of those platforms, like and subscribe. Let's get those numbers up. In this episode, we're going to begin a new unit discussing food in the United States. People have lots of opinions about food in the United States, about how all Americans love fast food and all we do is eat hamburgers and hot dogs. Well, that's not all true. But let's jump into this episode with some new vocabulary. The first word is bad rap. It's two words, actually. B-A-D space R-A-P. B-A-D-R-A-P. This is slang, and it means an unfair or bad opinion. The next is cashier. C-A-S-H-I-E-R. A cashier is the person who takes the money when you buy something. So when you buy a hamburger, you give your money to the cashier. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets are small pieces of chicken covered in a batter and deep fried. Chicken nuggets are a very common American food at American fast food restaurants, at American drive-thru restaurants. If you go to McDonald's or Burger King or Wendy's, they will likely have chicken nuggets. Don't ask me what's inside of them, but some people really like them. Conscious of. Conscious. C-O-N-S-C-I-O-U-S. And the next word of. Conscious of means to be aware of something or to be thinking about something. Such as, I was conscious of how much money I had before I bought the food. Continuing, the next word is dream. D-R-E-A-M. Dream is anything that is perfect. The more formal definition of dream is something that occurs in your head while you sleep. When you sleep, you have dreams. These are the visions that you have while you're asleep. But we can also talk about dreams as a future state. It's the perfect future, or it's the future that you want. Those are your dreams. Drive-thru. This is two words hyphenated together. Drive-thru, D-R-I-V-E hyphen T-H-R-U. That is when you use your car to line up at a fast food restaurant. If you come to the United States, you will see many fast food restaurants with cars lined up around the building. This is the drive-thru way. Ethnic cuisine. E-T-H-N-I-C, and the next word cuisine. C-U-I-S-I-N-E. Ethnic cuisine is cooking styles from different cultures. Since there are so many people from different countries in the United States, we call ethnic cuisine any kind of cuisine from a part of the world that is not very common here in the United States. So in the U.S., if you have special food from Greece or from parts of South America or from Asia or from Africa, all of those would be considered ethnic cuisines because those people's ethnicity are not as widely common in the United States. Continuing on, the word is exhausted. Exhausted is E-X-H-A-U-S-T-E-D. And it means really, really tired. I was so exhausted after my workout, I went right to sleep. To fix the food to order. To fix the food to order means to prepare exactly as you would like it. If you go to a restaurant or maybe a drive-thru where they fix the food to order, then you can add some kind of customization or preference to your order. They are not already made. They are made when you order. Fruit cup is a serving of mixed fruits. Fruit cup is spelled F-R-U-I-T space C-U-P. Many fast food restaurants in the United States now serve fruit cups as a more healthy option. Gourmet, Gourmet, is a very special food, often expensive. If you go to a gourmet restaurant, you're going to a very nice restaurant. One that has expensive food, nice desserts, great service. Health conscious. This is 2 words. Health, Health, and conscious, Conscious, which means concerned about things that are good for your health. If you are a health-conscious eater, then you don't like to eat a lot of bad or unhealthy foods. Hop into means to get into. Hop into is spelled Hopinto. Let's hop into the car and get going. In the mood. This is 3 words. In, I-N, the, T-H-E, mood, M-O-O-D. And it means wanting to do something. Just what the doctor ordered. Just what the doctor ordered. This is 5 words. Just what the doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, ordered, O-R-D-E-R-E-D. Just what the doctor ordered means something that will be perfect for what you need. This is kind of an expression. So if you're maybe very hungry or very thirsty and you get exactly what you wanted, you could respond with, it's just what the doctor ordered. Kids, K-I-D-S, means children. Mayo, M-A-Y-O, is short for mayonnaise, a white spread made from eggs and oil. This is a very common spread put on sandwiches in the United States. Picky eaters. This is 2 words. P-I-C-K-Y-E-A-T-E-R-S. These are people who don't like many different kinds of food. Picky eaters are hard to go out with. Pie. P-I-E. A pastry treat that's usually prepared with fruit. Pie is a delicious dessert. Post, P-O-S-T, to show clearly. Takeout, T-A-K-E-O-U-T. It means what you think it means. Takeout means to get food and to bring it back somewhere, instead of eating at the restaurant. Vegetarian, V-E-G-E-T-A-R-I-A-N, means eating food without meat products. Vegetarians usually eat fruits and vegetables, sometimes eggs. Lastly, whole grains. Whole grains. Whole grains is 2 words. Whole, W-H-O-L-E, and grains, G-R-A-I-N-S. Whole grains are grains like oat and wheat. This is used to describe foods that are made with oats and wheats so that people know that they're not made with extra unhealthy products. That is it for our lesson today. Thank you for listening to Taylor Teaches English, and don't forget to like and subscribe on Facebook and YouTube at Taylor Teaches English. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.